good, YouTube? Kid.com coming to you, man. Just got to Franklin. Just picked up a blow-off valve off the marketplace. Got it at the Mark II. Just had to get y'all on the YouTube. Yeah. You want to tell them anything, man?
Bosso for life. It's an Okinawa Japanese thing.
Most deaf. Appreciate him so much. Let me get the Blitz blow-off valve. Yeah, and I'll probably put his YouTube up so you guys can subscribe to him and tap in. Yeah, so get back to you guys with some more clips. Alright, so no delays. Yeah, so gonna be running a Blitz blow-off valve on the rotary. So hopefully I can get a turbo T51 R mod and this OG Blitz blow-off valve, man. Yeah, so get back to you guys when I get home.
Hell yeah.
At Key Crib with it today, man. Fucking with this blow-off valve, trying to make a charge pipe.
Mad scientist shit. It's gonna come together though.
So yeah, it's probably gonna come off the throttle body. Inside mark probably gonna come down. I marked it a little too high, but probably gonna rock it back somewhere right there. Yeah. Good turbo noises. Projects. He got 2 projects going at once over here. Fucking timing over here.
Yeah, man, that's a whole
Fucking with turbo shit over here.
motor reveal, goddamn.
Yeah. Gonna have to possibly rebuild it again.
Yeah. Race shit. Ain't quick.
Yeah. So, a couple weeks, y'all see this shit back together. Without a doubt. Champ shit. See that shit back together. And probably some content on here, right here. On the Z28. Yeah. So, gonna tap back in later with you guys on this YouTube. Alright, YouTube. So, cold side of the turbo shit really coming together. That's 145 right there, and that's another 45 and a 90. So yeah, trying to minimalize the bends so you can minimalize the V-band problems, man. The shit blowing off and flying off. Everybody YouTube video you watch, they get to ride and then that shit happens. So you want to minimalize on you using as less V-bands as possible to kill all headaches. So yeah, got that shit ran. Cut the other one, as I told you guys, just did that shit at Key Crib. Just had to come back to the unit and goddamn mark this shit up though. See how she looking off in there though. So shit gonna look like a winner when everything's said and done. I know the upper intake manifold looking a little bad, but I'm retaking it out and redoing it. It's just a temporary, just so I can see what my end product is gonna be. Yeah, so we're gonna be letting the oil meter and pump go, and we're gonna be putting a block over it. So I'm gonna still have to buy some more piping for the rest of my manifold, and I am gonna be letting the center support go right here. That holds the air box and the battery for the factory setup. So yeah, so I'm gonna be able to angle that 45 how I want to. So just a little off. And I'll be able to cock the turbo how I want to. I think that's transmission cooler right there. So yeah, letting the center support go is gonna allow me to make the best manifold so it can sit properly and sit right. So it could be a good looking manifold. And you want to put it a little bit away from the motor, just so it won't be giving off that heat right there, because you got your thermostat housing right there. So you got to do it a certain type of way. And I'm studying a lot before I really go and piece mine together. So it's a process. Yeah. So I'm going to get back with you guys in just a moment. What's going on, YouTube? EP.2 coming to you, man. Just picked up a manual situation, man, for the Rx8 build. Yeah, so been slowly collecting parts. Yeah, so got a reasonable steal on it. Get 6-speed transmission. And I've also picked this up right here on my birthday this year. Import Alliance. Yeah, so probably gonna go matching steering wheel with this right here. So yeah, gonna get back to you guys next video, putting together the turbo manifold. And yeah, so I'll have some more things gathered once I get back with you guys. So yeah, see you guys later.